In this short tutorial, you will learn how to enable or disable email sync on your Samsung email app. Syncing emails helps you receive new messages automatically. However, sometimes you may want to turn it off to save battery or data. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, first pull up the app drawer on your Samsung device. Once you're in the app drawer, locate and tap on the email app. Now that you have opened the email app, look for 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Tapping these lines will open a side menu. In this menu, find and tap on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. On this settings page, you'll see a list of all your configured email accounts. Tap on the specific email account for which you wish to enable or disable syncing. Once you're in your selected email account settings, look for an option labeled Sync Emails. To turn on email sync, simply toggle on this switch. To turn off email sync, simply toggle off this switch. And that's it. The changes made here save automatically. There's no need for additional steps, just exit out of these menus when finished. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.